Hello all of my fantastic keto cheesecake lovers. Today I'm showing you how to make the best New York baked cheesecake you've ever tasted in your life. It is gluten-free, it is low carb, and best of all, it is keto friendly. Let's get started. If you're new around here, I do quick, simple keto recipes. If this sounds fantastic to you, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. Alright, so we're gonna take half a cup of almond flour, half a cup of coconut flour, a quarter of a cup of desiccated coconut, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna melt some butter on the stove. We're gonna take half a cup of butter, put it in a pan, mix it around, and then pour that in with your base ingredients. Then I want you to grab a cake tin. Remove the bottom, wrap it in baking paper and put it back in. This is to ensure that the base doesn't stick to the bottom of your pan. So grab the tin, pour all of your base ingredients in there and press it all out with a spoon. Make sure it's nice and even, and then we're just gonna put that in the fridge. Before we begin the next step, I want you to preheat your oven to 160 degrees Celsius or 340 degrees Fahrenheit. Then I want you to grab a large glass bowl, put 2 cups of cream cheese, 3/4 of a cup of sour cream, 1/4 of a cup of nut beer, and a teaspoon of vanilla essence, and I want you to mix that around until it's well mixed together. Then grab 3 eggs, and I want you to mix them in one at a time. Look how creamy that looks. So the secret ingredient to a New York baked cheesecake is lemon zest. So I want you to grab a nice juicy lemon and zest the outside of the skin straight into the bowl with the cream cheese and the sour cream and mix that all together. Once it's done, I want you to get the base out of the fridge and then pour the cheesecake filling straight on top of that crispy biscuit layer. Whilst it's in the oven, we're gonna sit the cake tin into a water bath. So what I want you to do is grab a large piece of aluminium foil and put the cake tin on top of it and wrap it around so no water gets into the tin. And then you're gonna put that into the oven for 50 minutes. Then, once the 50 minutes is up, I want you to wrap up a tea towel and put it just in the door of the oven. We're trying to create a slowly cooling environment so that the cheesecake doesn't flop when you get it straight out of the oven. I want you to leave it sit there for about 30 minutes. Once it's slowly cooled down, I want you to grab it out of the oven and put it straight in the fridge. After it's sufficiently chilled, you are ready to take a slice. This cheesecake is perfect to take around to parties or give to your friend for their birthday. It is such a fantastic recipe, they are not going to even know it is keto. It is that super delicious. Again, thank you for watching. If you don't go and make this cheesecake right now, it means I've done something wrong. So don't disappoint me, go and make it now, and I will see you in the next video.